Imagine cruising down the road, the sun setting behind you, wind in your hair, and everyone turning their heads as you pass by. That's not just a dream anymore, it's the magic of the three-wheeled retro camper. A machine that doesn't just transport you, but transports you back in time. It's not just about where you're going, but how you get there. This isn't your typical RV or bulky van. It's a compact, charming masterpiece that blends vintage aesthetics with the freedom of a minimalist lifestyle. Picture it, polished chrome accents, rounded edges, and colors that pop like a postcard from the 1970s. It looks like something out of a retro sci-fi film, but it's very real and totally functional. What makes this three-wheeled camper truly unique is its perfect balance of style and purpose. It's small enough to squeeze through tight alleys and winding forest trails, but roomy enough inside to give you everything you need. Step inside, and you'll find a cozy sleeping area, smartly hidden storage compartments, and a tiny kitchenette that makes you want to cook your next meal on the road, even if you don't know how to cook. But here's where it gets even cooler, this isn't just a showpiece. It's lightweight and fuel-efficient, making it the ideal ride for solo travelers, adventurers, and digital nomads. Whether you're parking by the beach, tucked under a mountain peak, or chilling at a local music fest, this retro camper fits right in and turns heads while doing it. The magic of this three-wheeled wonder isn't just in the design, it's in the freedom it offers. You don't need a special parking spot, a giant budget, or a massive towing vehicle. It's mobility, nostalgia, and lifestyle all rolled into one. And let's not forget the insane social media appeal. One photo of this camper, and your feed lights up. Everyone wants to know what it is, how it works, and, most importantly, how they can get one. And guess what? You don't need to be an expert builder or mechanic. Many versions are fully pre-built or come in easy-to-assemble kits. Some even feature solar panels, fold-out tables, and smart tech, blending vintage vibes with future-ready functionality. This camper isn't just transportation, it's your portable sanctuary, your conversation starter, and your ultimate flex on the open road. It's proof that big adventures don't require big vehicles. So whether you're planning a weekend getaway or dreaming of full-time van life with a twist, the three-wheeled retro camper gives you a whole new way to hit the road. Minimalism never looked so bold. Freedom never felt so nostalgic. And travel? It's never been this cool. Still watching? Thought so. Because once you see this tiny time machine on wheels, it's hard to look away. And who knows? Your next adventure might just start on three wheels.